The $16 airport coffee you just bought is the first sign you've already lost the travel game. Let's be honest. Most travelers have been trained to believe that vacation is just another word for being overcharged. We accept cramped economy seats, $300 hotel rooms, and destinations designed to drain our savings because we think that's just how travel works. But after thousands of hours exploring the world's most overlooked regions, I discovered something the travel industry doesn't want you to know. There are still places where $50 a day doesn't just stretch, it buys you a lifestyle. I'm talking private villas, rooftop infinity pools, and world-class food for less than a fast food combo back home. I've landed in countries where my money felt like it multiplied overnight, and it wasn't luck, it was the system. Today, I'm revealing 10 destinations for 2026 where your money goes so far it almost feels illegal. We'll uncover the hidden logistics, why these regions are so affordable, and the exact strategies that turn them into true value paradises. And by the final destination, you'll realize the perfect trip was never about spending more. It was about knowing what to bypass. 10. Chiang Mai, Thailand. The champagne budget. If you've ever wanted a champagne lifestyle on a beer budget, Chiang Mai is the northern sanctuary where that dream becomes a reality. This isn't the chaotic, high-intensity overwhelm of Bangkok. Chiang Mai is a clean, safe, and shockingly friendly haven, especially for American travelers looking for a slower pace. In 2026, the hospitality-to-cost ratio here remains the gold standard of the world. You can secure a boutique resort room, complete with daily cleaning, a balcony, and a crystal-clear pool for just $25. The aha moment in Chiang Mai is the quality of life. A full sit-down restaurant meal costs $2. A professional Thai massage, a real one that resets your nervous system, is $6. For $50 a day, you aren't just surviving. You are being pampered in a way that would cost $500 in Maui or Saint-Tropez. It's a city that rewards the slow traveler, offering peaceful temples and jungle-side cafes that allow your retirement fund to feel virtually infinite. 9. Da Nang, Vietnam. The Miami logic glitch. Imagine a city with the infrastructure and beaches of Miami, but with a 90% discount and a significant increase in safety. That is Da Nang. This is Vietnam's modern masterpiece featuring massive white sand beaches and a clean, sprawling boardwalk. In 2026, you can find 4-star hotels overlooking the ocean for under $40 a night. Why is it so cheap? Vietnam's economy is built on high volume, high-quality production, and the tourism sector hasn't yet succumbed to the greed pricing of the West. Taxis are pocket change, and the seafood is caught and served on the same day for the price of a latte. What shocks most Americans is the sheer modernity. Everything is simple to navigate, the streets are safe at midnight, and the local Grab apps make transportation effortless. It is luxury without the luxury tax. 8. Oaxaca, Mexico, the culinary fortress. Oaxaca is for the traveler who understands that culture and food are the true currencies of luxury. This region has become an elite destination for those who want Michelin-caliber dining without the New York or London price tag. Street tacos for 50 cents aren't just cheap food. They are a complex culinary tradition that hits way above its weight class. In 2026, Oaxaca remains unbeatable because it has preserved its soul despite its popularity. You can stay in a colonial-style boutique hotel with a private courtyard and a rooftop view for $30. The aha moment here is the proximity. For Americans, you save on the flight before you even land. It's a low-stress, high-reward environment where $50 a day allows you to live like a local aristocrat, exploring world-class museums and mezcal distilleries for the price of a movie ticket. 7. Georgia, Europe's last underrated frontier. Just to be clear, I mean the country, not the state. If you haven't heard of Tbilisi, you are missing out on Europe's last true bargain. Georgia is a dream for older travelers because it is safe, welcoming, and possesses an ancient charm that feels like a fairy tale. You can enjoy a full Georgian feast, a table covered in cheese-filled bread, grilled meats, and fresh vegetables for just $5. A glass of world-class wine from a region that has been making it for 8,000 years will cost you $1. Beautiful guest house rooms in the wine country or the snowy mountains are rarely more than $30. Georgia offers the same landscapes as Italy or Switzerland for about 1/10 of the cost. It is European magic without the European price tag. 6. Albania, the last Mediterranean sanctuary. The secret is officially out, but in 2026, the prices in Albania still haven't caught up to the rest of the Mediterranean. In coastal towns like Sarande and Semel, the water looks like the Maldives, but the $900 a night bill is replaced by a $25 one. Local transport is pocket change, and a fresh Mediterranean meal by the water will cost you $5. Albania is extremely safe and friendly to American travelers, offering a quiet, stunning alternative to the overcrowded beaches of Greece or Italy. It's the Mediterranean lifestyle you've always wanted, at a price point that actually lets you relax. 5. Bulgaria. European history on a budget. If you want deep history, mountain views, and thermal mineral baths, Bulgaria delivers a level of value that seems impossible in 2026. Sofia is one of the cheapest capitals in Europe without feeling run down. You can get a hearty traditional meal the size of your head for $4. Hotel prices are incredibly low, and the country is calm, easy to navigate, and genuinely friendly. It's a destination that allows you to explore Roman ruins and Orthodox monasteries while spending less than you would on a day trip to a local theme park at home. 4. Sri Lanka, the crowd-free paradise. Imagine Bali, but cheaper, cleaner, and without the crowds of influencers blocking every view. That is Sri Lanka. For $50 a day, you can afford a private driver, oceanfront boutique hotels, and wildlife safaris. Because the country is still stabilizing its economy, prices remain shockingly low, yet the tourism infrastructure is world-class. Whether you want the white sand beaches of the south or the ancient history of the inland tea country, Sri Lanka treats a $50 bill like a king's ransom. It is a bucket list destination that doesn't require a bucket list budget. 3. Guatemala, the volcano view hack. For Americans who want to avoid the 14-hour airborne torture chamber, Guatemala is a short flight with a massive payoff. Antigua is a stunning colonial city with cobblestone streets and volcano views that look like a movie set. Boutique hotels cost around $25, and street food, from tamales to fresh fruit, is $1. The aha moment here is the psychology of permanence. Travelers often end up staying for months because the cost of living is so low, it removes all financial anxiety. $50 per day here feels like $200 anywhere else. 2. Northern Portugal, the safety sanctuary. Lisbon isn't cheap anymore, but the north, places like Braga and Coimbra, remains Europe's best bargain. Portugal is consistently ranked as one of the safest countries on earth, making it a sanctuary for older Americans. You get incredible weather, world-class wine, and beautiful historic towns for a fraction of the cost of the Algarve. Avoid the big tourist zones and you'll find that northern Portugal offers a relaxed, dignified pace of life at a price point that makes your retirement fund feel infinite. 1. The Philippines, the luxury outlier. If there is one place where $50 feels like absolute luxury, it is the Philippine Islands. El Nido, Coron, and Siargao look like desktop backgrounds come to life. White sand, limestone cliffs, and hidden lagoons. Fresh seafood for $3, beachfront stays for $20. But the real secret in 2026 is the human element. English is widely spoken, and the genuine friendliness of the locals makes you feel safer here than in many American cities. This is the definition of luxury travel without the luxury price tag, but let's be honest. Reaching these paradises often requires the long-haul stress test. You're crammed into a tiny seat, unable to sleep, and arriving like a travel zombie. I used to dread these flights until I perfected the aviation survival system. Creating your first-class pod in economy starts with gear, not luck. Ditch the U-shaped pillow. It's an ergonomic scam that pushes your head forward, snapping you awake. Use a stabilizing pillow that attaches to the headrest wings. Combine this with a contoured blackout mask and noise-canceling headphones to create a sensory deprivation bubble. What you wear is a biological defense. Dress in soft, breathable layers. Denim is your enemy. It becomes a tourniquet after hour 6. Use compression socks as a medical necessity to prevent DVT and heavy leg syndrome. The battle against jet lag starts before you board. Shift your schedule, fill your own water bottle, and set your watch to the destination time the second you sit down. If you can manage it, go carry-on only. The baggage claim is the most stressful part of the journey. Bypassing it is the ultimate first-class feeling. Landing, walking past the chaos, and stepping straight into your $50 a day paradise. Flying and traveling in 2026 isn't just about moving from point A to point B, it's about how much of yourself you keep intact during the process. When you master the system, the world becomes a place of abundance rather than expense. You don't need $1 million to see the world. You just need a better system. Now, I want to hear your story. Which of these $50 paradises is calling your name? Or do you have a secret budget luxury spot that I missed? Share your tactical travel secrets in the comments. The crazier the bargain, the better. I'll be pinning the best one. If these strategies gave you a new perspective, hit that like button and subscribe to join our community of smart travelers.